Hi everyone. Yeah, as Jupiter said, it's never easy to come to listen to such an early sharing at Sunday morning. So welcome everybody. Appreciate your presence here. Firstly, a brief introduction about myself. This is Chef Keys at PancakeSwap. I'm currently the CEO for overseeing the whole operation of these protocols. I have been in this DeFi sector for many years already. And I think one of the things, or on every conferences, on every event, everybody's, the key focus of the topic is how we can make DeFi more accessible, more efficient, more convenient for users. A lot of people ask why, because I guess that's the topic, close to, our heart, to every crypto or every DeFi builders. So here today, I would like to walk you through how PancakeSwap is playing the role in the whole process and how PancakeSwap is trying our best to differentiate ourselves with the other DEXs in the sector. And then we can firstly go through where PancakeSwap are, where we're standing right now, via several figures. So we're kind of ranking number one DEX, by 24 hours and 7-day trading volumes. And as of today, we have already, have 1.2 trillion US dollars in cumulative trading volumes, and we have, more than 1.6 billion total value locked on our platform. And also so far, we have served more than 120 million users on our platform. These figures or these numbers are not just the statics. They are kind of the number, the figure that tell us the whole DeFi at which scale that we can change the financial finance. It's not only the figure that represent PancakeSwap can do. It also represents what's the whole DeFi sector, what we can achieve together. It's also the numbers, that encourage PancakeSwap, encourage every people, in the sector to building further, because we say these figures are there. Their users are using us, their volumes are, accumulated on us. And then I would like to take a minute to talk about PancakeSwap. What exactly is PancakeSwap? What kind of service PancakeSwap is providing? Because traditionally, people will think PancakeSwap is only a DEX, a decentralized exchange platform on BNB chain. But actually, in the past 4 years, we have evolved a lot. We're more than an AMM model DEX, only. So here's kind of an overview of our ecosystem. We have trade functions, we have earn functions, we have play sector, and also, most importantly, we have token launch platforms. I will walk through one by one first. For the trade, previously, or 4 years ago, when we were incorporated, we started from AMM DEX, which is an automated market maker DEX. So people can trade, or people can do a swap, on PancakeSwap. And right now we have, different version for trade. We have version 1, version 2, version 3. For version 3, there are several key major updates. Number 1, for the liquidity provider, you can limit your price, or you can limit your fund into a very specific price range, and then you can get them or can maximize your return as a liquidity provider. And also for experienced traders, we provide perpetual tradings, on chain, which is also, from our internal data, it's very popular. It's very welcomed by users, because we can see perpetual is already the second largest product contributing our revenue and trading volumes. And also for the fiat on-ramp, is kind of to make the whole DeFi pipe bigger, because there's still a lot of Web2 users, they don't have too much understanding of Web3 and also DeFi. So they were trying to use their, buy the first Bitcoin or buy the first crypto via their fiat money, via MasterCard, or via credit card, or via their banking channels in different jurisdictions. And this is, what we do via the fiat on-ramp channels to bring the Web2 users to Web3. And the bridge is because, currently PancakeSwap, we're operating on 9 chains. You can use PancakeSwap from 9, chain networks. So there's always a requirement, or there's always a market, there's always a need from users that need to bridge their assets from different chains. So that's where the bridge comes in. And then the second part is earn. So liquidity is kind of the backbone of PancakeSwap or of all the AMM DEX, because we are relying on the liquidity provider to add in liquidity to PancakeSwaps. So that's where the liquidity part is. On this we provided farms and also position managers. For the second part is staking. Staking is a very popular concept in DeFi because for most of the protocols, for most of projects, when they are TGE'd, when they have their own tokens, the first thing is, or the next step for them is to understand how we can empower our tokens, how we can bring more use case for our tokens, how we can encourage user to hold our tokens. Then the key part is stake. A lot of protocols will bring in locking system to encourage people locking their cake back to the protocol, and then they can give back a certain revenue share or buy back to the token holders. This is also same thing on PancakeSwap. We have cake staking and also we have Zero Pool. So Zero Pool is basically a partnership between PancakeSwap and different protocols. So we have a lot of Zero Pools on our platform already, and users can stake cake and get certain popular tokens as well. And the play part is we're just trying to give our users some fun. And then we have two products right now. We have prediction, we have lottery. So prediction on BNB chain, basically you can predict the BNB price for every 5 minutes. And for lottery, it's just to kind of have a bet on chain, because it's also a very popular product in traditional finance. And then the last part is token launch. Token launch is not very known for PancakeSwap, but actually it's a very important component for PancakeSwap, because for a lot of protocols right now, they are in the center right now. There are so many entrepreneurs, there are so many builders, and everybody want to create their own project. Everybody want to launch their own token, and normally they want to have a certain platform to help them to do the first fundraising. That's exactly where we're coming from for token launch. So we have 3 products. The first one is for Springboard. Springboard is a very new product for us, and every even individual person, myself or my mom or my grandma, they can come to PancakeSwap to issue a token in several clicks without any coding needed. This is kind of to break down, to break the technical barriers for a lot of people who don't understand how to code, right? And then for the IFO and the TGE, it's a very traditional product. For the TGE, is a product we're working together with Binance Wallet, where we're trying to empower a lot of people, or a lot of protocols who want to come to Binance Wallet to do the first token launch. I should say it's a very popular or successful product so far, because every time we're doing the TGE with Binance Wallet, we can say the oversubscription is like 100x, 200x. So we can say there are still users needed. Still, users is very into this product. And then after we see the whole overview of our ecosystem, I would like to deep dive a little bit to our more advanced feature on BNB chain. Why we want to highlight BNB chain? Because PancakeSwap has been operating on 9 chains, but the BNB chain is our home chain, is where we started from. So we normally will enable the most comprehensive product and service on this chain. So I'd like to deep dive a little bit. It's still 3-part: trading, token launch, and cross-chain. For trading, apart from what I described earlier for the key features, here's something new I want to bring in. The first one is the MEV guard. MEV attack has been an issue for a long time in the DeFi sectors. And also, especially when this season the meme coin is quite popular, and then a lot of individual users will complain they are already they are attacked for many times. So the MEV guard is a partnership between PancakeSwap and different wallet. Now if you come to PancakeSwap website, you can click just a 1 click, right? And you can enable the MEV protection for different wallets, or for most of the major wallet, like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and also Binance Wallet. And Telegram swap bot is a trial for PancakeSwap this year because for PancakeSwap right now we don't have mobile app, but we firmly believe in the future mobile trading is kind of everybody is going to use their iPhone, their phone to do the trading, but not everybody has the extension or the web version. So that's the reason why I'm trying to bring the trading from PancakeSwap to users' Apple Wallet. So we're working together with Telegram to bring the swap bot to the ecosystem, and then users can only do the swap within the Telegram without leaving the app. PancakeSwap X is a product we're still working on. They're trying to bring the offline market maker to the on-chain tradings, and then where users can actually not only trading not only trading in the on-chain pools, but also with several market makers to give them gas lists or to give them MV protection as well. On the token launch, already briefed, in the last sector, so I will not go to too much details. And the cross-chain is the Binance, it's the PancakeSwap bridge. It's also trying to working together with BNB chain to help users cross-chain, to bridge their assets from different chains to BNB chain. And then what's next for PancakeSwap? So here I would like to introduce one of our new product called PancakeSwap Infinity. PancakeSwap Infinity is the next version of our trading. Because previously we have version 2, version 3, and right now we are ready for the next version. We call it PancakeSwap Infinity. Why we call it Infinity? Because we do see there is endless possibility, because it's kind of an open platform, can enable every different protocol, different builders to come into PancakeSwap to do the building, and then can create a lot of fancy, sexy features to our users. Here are several key points. First is the multiple types. The second one is hooks, and the third one is the custom fee structures, and last one is guest options. I will not go into every one of them, but I will choose the first two, the multiple pool types and the hooks. The multiple pool types, right now on PancakeSwap version 3, every user's fee structure, the fee tiers, the pool type is fixed. Even though the whole DeFi, we have been in DeFi for 4 years, but until today, the trading experience is good, but it's still a little bit rigid. Right now, if I'm a user, I'm experienced users, and then for a newbie as well, the fee is exactly the same. That does not make too much sense. So on the PancakeSwap Infinity, we're going to provide 2 pools, which is the first one is concentrated liquidity pools. The second one is liquidity book pools. These more pools will give users more choices. And also what's more excited is these 2 pools is only a starting point. We're going to have more pools in the future. And the second thing is about the hooks. Hook is kind of, and it's a smart contract built by external partner or built by external builders based on PancakeSwap Infinity to give the users more customized feature. For example, at launch, we're going to bring an in-house hook and also several partners hook. I will choose one to share with you. Right now for PancakeSwap, one of the issues is how to encourage people holding cake, how to encourage people to holding our tokens, and then we can share more revenue back to them. So one of the feature is, once if you are holding cake and if you're holding cake and trading on PancakeSwap, your fee is different. You can have a lower trading fee and also have a lower gas fee even. So this kind of things is trying to attract or to holding users together with PancakeSwap. And then that's kind of all the things I want to share with you today. But also we are ready to building the futures together and welcome every people, especially the builders, to come to PancakeSwap Infinity, especially the hook developers, and then we can join together to reshape the DeFi futures together. I think that's all the sharing. Thank you.